another stretch of the river. You can see this water level's gone down. This other flat that I used to fish over here is, wow, that's crazy. All the rain that we had. Well, there's a lot of sediment. You could almost walk out there. I've never seen it like that. That's what I'm talking about, that section right over there. I've been fishing this area for years. Wow, you could almost walk out. That's crazy. Well, we're gonna work this area a little bit, see if there's anything out here. Oh, just got a bite. Wasn't expecting that to catch anything on this little flat right here. Let's see what this is. Oh, good deal. They're really pale. Oh, you look pretty good too. Come on, my friend. Oh, there we go. He's off. Get him back in the water. Thought for sure this little area would be a bust. Alright, I'm going to keep going. I'm just casting out there and there's a main current bringing it into this little still water area. This land is going out there in that main current. It feels like a nicer one too. I can't really. He's going where he wants to, so he's gotta be something. I can't even move him really. He's going upstream. He's strong. This Dark Wolf Ultra is quite the real. I got him on 4 pounds. Let the rod wear him down. He's got power. Oh, God, he was a nice one too. I think I was forcing him too hard. It's an unfortunate one. That was a pretty nice smallmouth. Got another one in there. Oh yeah, this one feels like a pretty decent one too. Got another one. It's literally right. Okay. I want to wear him down a little bit because that's how I lost the other one. Especially if they're out in that current, they're strong. This is a better one. Oh yeah, definitely a lot better one. There he is. Nice looking fish. He's got something going on, like a growth on that back fin, maybe an old injury. There he is. Let's get him back in the water. I got another one. Oh yeah. Right out there in that current, right where that current break is. Kind of the same size. There he is. This is a largemouth bass. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes. today, but I pulled them out of main current. Look at this fish, they're actually really pale. Actually, you can see that. Put them back in the water. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting. I just switched over to another paddle tail bait, but because I broke off. He's not very big, but he's another fish nonetheless. Another, put him back in the water first. There we go. Switched over to another paddle tail with the chartreuse tail. It's a crappie slider. See, that was actually marked. I was gonna guess, but not bad. I want to keep going here, so they're definitely hanging around this current break over here. Oh, we're gonna call it a wrap. I think I lost 8 jigs. Nice days. They're just, I didn't have any hits on this stretch of the river, but overall not a bad day. We got a couple and lost a real nice one. That was my fault. I think I didn't play him like I should have. I was trying to horse him and he ended up throwing my hook. Overall not a bad day.